Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today in this section we are discussing about the creation of company, company code, plan, storage location and purchase organization. In the upcoming video we are going to know about the assignment of company code to a company, plan to a company code and purchase organization to a company code. Shall we go to the GUI screen? Yeah. First, we are going to enter in the GUI screen. We can go to the T-code with SPRO, or you can go with the pathway. I am going to SPRO, and after that click on the SAP reference IMG button. Going to enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. You can come with SPRO, SAP implementation guide, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company. You know guys, client is our company. We are going to create with new entries. Today in this section we are going to create for one company. Our company is Auto, company code OTT1, OTT2, two company codes we are going to create, and plant OT10, OT20, OT30 and OT40, and storage location for this plant and purchase organization. If you are not know about the company code, plant, storage location, you may go to the previous video uploaded in this channel. You may understand the basics of the enterprise structure of company code, plant and storage location by seeing this previous video. I hope guys, if you don't know about the enterprise structure basics, you may get some tips and some basics understanding from the previous video. Shall we go to this company code creation and company creation? First we are going to create a company of Auto. I am typing OTTO Auto. Company name is Auto Clothings. I am giving here our company name is Auto Clothings. You can create company with 6 characteristics. The maximum characters allowed is 6. I am creating here with 4 characters. I will give a straight out. I am actually just for our assumption I am creating this company code plan. All are from our assumption for basics understanding of how to create a company code plan and storage location. We are filled with these details and we are going to save this company. Click here, you can see the icon nearest to the command box is save. Here you can click save company. Here there is an already creating prompt requisition is here visible. You can create with your own request. Click here own request. If you have a previous request, you can click with here own request. Some requests are visible. You can create for your Auto. Here short description. We given short description as Auto company, and you can see here save button. You can click on save. Our short description of prompt for customization request is visible in auto company. Now you click here continue. Our data was saved. You can see here the bottom of the screen, you can see our data was saved. You can come back. We have already created a company. Now we are going to create company code. So we can go to edit, copy, delete, check company code. Here you can see the two options are available: copy, delete, check company code, and edit company code data. We are going to edit company code data. After that, we are giving new entries. If you have already any company code, you may see hit position. I have previous of company code as SVC1 and SVC2, my previous company codes. You may see here SVC1 and SVC2. These are my previous company code. Now we are going to create new one. Click on new entries and company code. We are already discussed about how to create a company code with the reference. We are going to create OTT1 as our company code. Here you can give the company code OTT1 and then give a name to the company code auto company one I am given here, and give the address city Chennai, country by region IN, currency INR means Indian rupees, language I am chosen as English. Here you can give title as company name auto company one, search term auto. I will explain about the search term in an upcoming videos for your understanding. Here you can fill some of these details about the address of the company code, and here you may continue with enter. Here form for customizing request is appear. You may save with this prompt for request, or you may create with one. I will create one new for our company code one. Here you can see data was saved. We can create the next company code with here next entry, or you can come from the beginning of the screen. You can come again with the edit company code data, going to new entries, company code OTT. Company 2. I am here first. Our previous company was OTT1, auto company 1. Here our current company code is OTT2, auto company 2. Here you fill the basic details of the company code, company name, and we are going to maintain the address of the company code here. Click save icon, and after here the one tab will open. You can maintain address of the company here. Title will be company. Here you fill the some basic details for the address, and here you can click the enter. Here the short description of the previous company code is you can see. You can create with new, or you can also save with this. I am going to create a new prompt requisition for customization. Sorry guys, my network is very low. That's why the reason the system is very slow. Here you can give your short description of photo company too. I hope guys you know about how to create a company and a company code. Now you may see here the data was saved. Now we are going to create a plan. You may see company code. These are created under the financial accounting, but now we are going to create a plan. Plant is creating under the logistics general. You can must memorize the pathway. In an enterprise structure definition, financial account is used for creating company code, and company for plant you use logistics general, and for storage location you use material management. For plant creation I am going to use logistics general. Here under the logistics general you can see some of the options available. You can click with different plan. Here we are going to create a new plan, so give new entries, plan is OT10 and OT20. Here you can give OT10 auto plan. Just click on save, and you can maintain the address of the plan. Here give company name, here you can give some basics of the address for this plan. In and real time you have to maintain all these necessary tables. I am just maintaining here some of the small or some of the important tables here only for our time consumption. Click enter. We are going to create a new customization request. Now we are going to save our new customization request. Click here save. We are saved one plan, data was saved. You can see our plan via this. Click on this position table. Here asking our plan. We are created OT10 is our plan, and then press enter. You can here see OT10 is our plan. Click on our plan. You may see the address and anything you given in the plan. I hope guys you understand how to create plan. Like this you have to create for a number of plan. And another one simplest way to create plan is while you creating a large number of plan, you can go with this next entry. Given next entry you can create another plan. I hope guys you understand how to create a plan. We will discuss about how to create a storage location and how to assign company code to a company, plan to a company, and storage location with another, how to create a purchase organization. We are discussed in the upcoming videos. I hope guys you understand how to create a company code, plan. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. Stay tuned guys. Our upcoming videos will cover the SAP MI full syllabus as soon as possible. I hope guys you have a good day. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.